In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Ask Price Line on MetaTrader 5. If you're using MetaTrader 5 and you want a clearer view of price movement on your chart, turning on the Ask Price Line can be very helpful. This line gives you a visual reference for the current ask price, which is especially useful when you're placing buy orders or trying to understand the spread more accurately. It's a small setting, but it can make your chart easier to read and your trading decisions a little more informed. To begin, open your MetaTrader 5 chart and move your cursor anywhere over the chart area. Then right-click anywhere on the chart. This will open a context menu with several chart-related options. Make sure you're clicking directly on the chart itself, since that's where the setting is accessed from. From the menu that appears, click on Properties. This will open the Chart Properties window, where you can customize how the chart looks and what information is displayed. If you've never used this menu before, it's where many of the visual chart settings are managed, so it's a useful place to become familiar with. Once the Properties window opens, click on the Show tab. This section contains display options that control which chart elements are visible. The Ask Price Line setting is located here, along with a few other visibility options that affect how your chart appears during analysis and trading. Now look for the checkbox labeled Show Ask Price Line. When you find it, check that done. Check that box to enable the feature. This tells MetaTrader 5 to display the Ask Price Line directly on the chart, making it easier to monitor the ask price in real time. This can be particularly useful if you want to visually compare the bid and ask levels while watching market movement. After that, click OK to save the change and close the Properties window. As soon as you do that, the Ask Price Line should appear on your chart. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Ask Price Line in MetaTrader 5. If the line doesn't seem obvious at first, take a closer look at the chart and make sure you're viewing an active market where price is updating. This is a quick adjustment, but it can improve chart visibility and help you track pricing more precisely while trading.